subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
Samsung has launched its new budget smartphone under M series in India called Galaxy M02, and it seems to be a rebranded version of Galaxy A02 smartphone that was recently launched in Thailand. Talking about the specifications, the Samsung Galaxy M02 features a large 6.5-inch Infinity V display with HD+ resolution. Under the hood, the phone is powered by unnamed MediaTek processor that is expected to be MediaTek MT6739W chipset. The smartphone packs with 2 or 3 GB of RAM and 32 GB of internal storage that is expandable up to 1 TB via dedicated microSD card slot. In terms of camera, the Galaxy M02 supports a vertically aligned dual camera setup on the rear that includes 13 megapixel main camera with f1.9 aperture and a 2 megapixel macro lens with f2.4 aperture. For selfies, it has an 5 megapixel camera under the V-shaped notch at the top center with f2.0 aperture. On the software front, the handset runs on Android 10 with One UI 2.0 skin on top, and it houses a massive 5000 mAh battery. The connectivity option on the phone includes 4G, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.0, GPS, 3.5mm headphone jack, and a microUSB charging port. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 164 by 75.9 by 9.1 millimeters, and it weighs around 206 grams. Now talking about the pricing and availability details. The Samsung Galaxy M02 has been priced in India for 2GB plus 32GB storage variant at 6,999 Indian rupees, but it will be available at a discount price of 6,799 Indian rupees for a limited period of time. While the pricing details of 3GB plus 32GB storage option is yet to announce by the company. The smartphone is set to go on sale in the country starting from February 9th in black, grey, blue and red color options. So, what do you guys think of this Galaxy M02 smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.